Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called bound half moon pose. If you are super perfect in the half moon pose, this pose is little easier for you. But instead of placing the palm on the mat, just we are locking up the one hand at the back side. Let us see how to perform this bound half moon pose. From standing posture, widen your both legs. After widening up your both legs, bend your left leg. Okay. From here, place your left hand on the mat and try to bring your left hand on the lower back and other hand back. Try to interlock all the fingers and stay here. Now slowly relax. Same way, widen your both legs. Now slowly bend forward as much as possible. Now slowly take your hand back. Try to lock your finger at the back side. If you can't able to lock your palms, you can use the strap or else yoga rope. From here, slowly shift your body weight on the front leg. If you are struggling with balance, you may take the help of the wall and practice like this. Benefits: stretches the groin areas, hamstrings, calf muscles, shoulders, chest and the spine, strengthens the abdomen, ankles, thighs, generally beneficial to the external rotations and stabilize of the hip including the glutes and the thighs, improve the coordination and the sense of balance. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Comment down in the comment section if you want to learn any new asanas. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.